Welcome to Naturalist Shoutout Question and Answer live stream. Alright, yeah man. So this week I'm going to be using my cell phone, read through some comments on my last video, right? And send some shoutout. Alright. So always remember nothing is impossible, right? Whatever you are doing, keep at it until you get through. Alright? Yeah man. So I have my cell phone right here. I'm going to read through the comments. Right. So I have one person in the live. Welcome. You can type your name in the comment if you want me to give you a shout out. Alright. So how to make oven roast yam / oven jerk sausage. Right. So that's the video I'm on today. How to make oven roast yam / oven jerk sausage. Right. So in the comment section, we have CRG Records saying the yam looking dry and delicious. Good job. Right. So big shout out to CRG Records for that comment. Really appreciate it. Right. Reno Gandos saying I wish you more success. Friends, thank you for sharing the delicious way to cook. Big shout out to Reno Gandos. Right. Appreciate the support. Yeah man. Moving along. So good choice. Saying amazing style of cooking and talking. Delicious roast recipe. Art smiley face. Your new friend and subscriber. Art here. Thumbs up rose. So big shout out to good choice. Appreciate the comment. So if you're just joining, welcome to the live stream. This is a shout out and question and answer live stream. So leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to give you a shout out. Alright, so moving along, reading through some comments from the last video. Right. Josibel Aldi saying, so cute. I love your introduction video. Looks so cool. Smiley face with a wink eye. This is new recipe for me and it looks very delicious. Thanks for sharing and big support here from Maryland. Thumbs up. So Josibel Aldi, big shout out to Josibel Aldi. Appreciate the comment. Moving along again. Chinda Kumo. Right? Saying some language that I don't understand. I can't even pronounce them. Let me see if I can pronounce them. Kalir. Delicious. Thumbs up. Jodor like. Right? So I guess they are saying it's delicious. Right? So Chinda Kumo. Big shout out to Chinda Kumo for that comment. Right? Cook with Bismillah is saying super, thumbs up, sharing stable as always. Right? With a flag looking like a Brazilian flag. So big respect to Cook with Bismillah. Appreciate the support. Right? Moving along again. This person by the name of Javier's Kitchen saying wonderful, great upload, amazing recipe. So big shout out to Javier's Kitchen. Right? If you are in the live, feel free to leave a comment. Feel free to leave a comment if you want me to give you a shout out. This is a shout out live stream. Reading through some comments from my last video, how to make oven roast yam / oven jerk sausage. reading through the comments, giving some shout out. All right, moving along again. So KJ Food Corner is saying this is amazing food style. So big shout out to KJ's Food Corner. Appreciate the support every time. Moving along again. Baby D'Amico, 100% fire. Right. Thanks for your comment, Baby D'Amico. Right. That's my son's channel, so you can go and check him out. Right. So big shout out. You know. Robert Duran Sang Covers is saying, yummy. What a delicious plate you put together. Enjoy and watch full video. Yeah, man. So big shout out to Robert Duran Sang Covers. Right. Appreciate the support. Moving through again. So this is a question and answer shout out live stream. Right, where I'll be reading through some comments, giving some shout out. So if you are in the live and you want me to give you a shout out, type it in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out. So moving along again. Emma's Cooking World saying, looks delicious. Thanks for sharing. Stay connected. So big shout out to Emma's Cooking World for that comment. Appreciate the support. Right. So Maple Cook saying, ooh, that looks so good. Thanks for the shout out, Maple Cook. Appreciate it. Right. I'm Ethan YouTube tip saying, good recipe. Thumbs up from a fellow creator. Right. Laughing face. So big shout out to Ethan's YouTube tip. Appreciate the support every time. Right. So relaxing and cooking. Is saying this is simple but healthy dish. Keep sharing. Have a nice day. So big shout out to relaxing and cooking. Appreciate the support, you know. Right. Moving along again. Laborning. Noru Tour is saying yummy, so delicious. Emoji with licking tongue. 3 thumbs up. Holy heart. Right. So Laborn Noritri. Shout out. You know, appreciate the comment. Right. Moving along again. This is a shout out live stream where I'm reading through some comments from my last video, giving some shout out. Right. So moving along again. Easy Cook Happy Life is saying look so good there. Right. 2 emoji with arms clasped together. Right. So we have Randy's time passing through in the live chat saying, hi, good morning, how are you? Big respect, Randy's time. I appreciate the support every time. I'm doing good, you know. A bit tired, you know. Came in from work and, you know, took the time out to do the live stream because you don't know, once you're a creator, you know, you have to make personal sacrifices, right? So I decided to come online tonight, trying to do some weekly live stream, right? So big respect, Randy's time, shout out, you know, appreciate the continued support. You know, so I'm reading through some comments from my last video, sending some shout out, right? So moving along again. Use My Foods is saying looking so yummy and delicious recipe. I like so much. I made it. Yeah, man. So I appreciate the fact that you like the recipe so much that you end up made it. Right. So glad to know that I could have been of help, you know, for you to went ahead and made that recipe for yourself. So hope you enjoyed it. Right. And this time saying thank you. Yeah, man. No problem around this time. No problem at all. You know, one love every time. Right. So moving along again, CR3 Media. Wow, excellent recipe, mouth watering. Big shout out to CR3 Media, right? Welcome. If you're just joining the live stream, this is a question and answer live stream. Shout out live stream. If you want me to give you a shout out, type it in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out, right? So, Ippy Astrid is saying, here to support you. Big shout out. Iffy Astrid, big shout out to you. Appreciate the support every time. Big respect. Big shout out again. And this time he's saying, hi Astrid. Right? So, appreciate the support, Astrid. She's saying, sure. Yeah, man. Thank you for the support. So, if you're just joining the live stream, this is a shout out live stream, question and answer live stream. If you want me to give you a shout out, just type it in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out. Right? So I'm reading through some comments from my last video, how to make oven roast yam and oven jerk sausage. Right? So Earth's Medicine is saying, then you couldn't invite me over for some smiley face. Trust me, roast yam looking good and sausage looking tantalizing, me G. 2 thumbs up. To be honest, thought I learned something new because I never knew that yam could be roasted in an oven. I have to try it. Thanks for this. Blessings. Laughing face with that whole heap of pretty heart. Thanks for the good comment, Earth's Medicine. You can go over and check out Earth's Medicine's channel. Right? She have some lovely stuff, some very educating stuff and very healthy stuff. She's talking about plants and plant health benefit you can get from plants around the house and stuff like that. So go and check out Earth Medicine's channel, and big respect for the shout out, right? So this is a shout out question and answer live stream. If you're just joining the live, feel free to leave a comment if you want me to give you a shout out, right? So I'm reading through some comments from my last video. Right, moving along again, Pro Focus Photography saying good stuff. So big respect to Pro Focus Photography. Appreciate the support every time. GH Jones is saying you are a culinary master. Looks delicious. Blush face. Thumbs up. Guitar. Fire. Music sign. Lightning. Right. Appreciate the support, GH Jones. Big respect. Big shout out. Right, I don't think of myself as a culinary master still. I just took the time out to teach myself to cook. Right, and for some reason, I developed the passion for cooking and just kind of went along with it and just started cooking. Didn't went to any school or anything. Just cooking from a young age and develop the cooking skills, right? So, big shout out for that. Amelia Frankie's Little Kitchen is saying, I will like to taste of this roasted yam, I'm sure, right? So, big up to Amelia Frankie's Little Kitchen, big shout out, right? Soraya Silvestri Artist saying looks very delicious. So thanks for the comment, Soraya Silvestri Artist. Big shout out every time. Big respect. Big shout out every time. Understand? Appreciate the support. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the support of you all. So moving through again, process digitally is saying just missing the carrot sauce. Yeah, man, could have used some carrot sauces. right? So big shout out to Process Digitally. Moving along again, Tasty Foodies, Tree Bell, right? So big shout out to Tasty Foodies. Moving along again, I can't make out the name of this channel because it is in a lot of Egyptian language. But I see a rose, clap big bouquet of flowers, 100%. So thanks for the support, right? So remember, this is a question and answer live stream, shout out live stream, right? So if you want me to give you a shout out, feel free to type it in the comment section in the live, right? So I'm here going through some comments from my last video, how to make roast yam, oven roast yam, and oven jerk sausage, right? So Molana, Saib Shimsi official is saying good sharing video. Mashallah, beautiful sharing video friend. New Molana Soab Shamsi, right? So Molana Shab Shimsi official, big respect, right? Big shout out for that. So Process Digitally again, another good one. Respect again, Process Digitally. Kai Jen Kokran Nan Julo is saying Inspraf Kawan. Don't know what that means, but that's what the comments say. Inspirative Kawan. So OMG Production is saying, amazing friend. You are really doing great job. Stay connected there. So big shout out to OMG Productions, right? Big shout out again to persons in the live stream. Appreciate you passing through, right? So without you, this channel wouldn't be where it is right now. Still have a far way to go. Don't intend on giving up, right? Keep on pushing until we get there, right? Giving up or quitting is not in the mix. So whatever you are doing, nothing is impossible. Quitting is not an option. Giving up is not an option, right? So moving along again. Manisha recipe showing something like this, emoji like this, right? So Manisha recipes, big up, shout out to Manisha recipes for that comment. So Diaz Mix Molten saying yummy thumbs up emoji with the heart, stay connected, right? So Diaz Mix Molten, big shout out. So if you're just joining, seeing in the comment section, 3box is saying hi Jamaican. Yeah man, big respect 3box for passing through. Appreciate the support. Big up to you 3box. You know, appreciate the support, right? 3box is saying here to support. Randis. So nice to meet you, Randis. Appreciate you passing through, taking the time out from your busy schedule to pass through the live stream. Show your support. Always appreciative of that, right? Always happy to connect with my subscriber, connect with my community, and reason give some shout out, you know. So big support, big shout out to you, right? Here, reading through some comments from my video, right? 3boxes saying coming from another ID, right? Yeah man, I don't know. Big up same way, you know, big up same way 3box Randy's, you know, using a different channel. I guess Randy's have more than one channel. So go and check him out. Yeah, man. So Randy's have more than one channel. So go and check him out. 3 bucks. Right? So go and check them out. Check out these other channels. Show your support. Right? So welcome to the live stream. Appreciate you passing through, taking the time out of a busy schedule to pass through this live stream. If you want me to give you a shout out, type it in the comment section, right? So moving along again, Belkey's Kitchen saying very nice, thumbs up, right? So big shout out to Belkey's Kitchen. Alikan Angan saying so mantap jiwa popcorn naya. Not sure what that means, but that's what the comment says. So Alikan Angan, respect for that comment. Dewey Juniorta is saying amazing recipe, right? So big respect to Dewey Juniorta, right? So Marisha Isabella saying, I see a comment say date me with arrow pointing to a link. So I guess this person is promoting a dating site. However, you know, Marisha Isabella, big shout out for passing through, even though you're promoting your site and my video, but nevertheless, appreciate you passing through just the same, even though you're doing some promotion on my video, but nevertheless, appreciate you passing through. Tasty Foodie saying 29 likes, amazing, nice sharing, stay connected. So big shout out to Tasty Foodie again. Ali KM Activities saying good video with a rose. So big shout out to Ali KM Activities. Appreciate the support, right? So we have Vineyard. I gave my support from the idea also on Ramdiz. So big up again. Vineyard, go and check him out, right? Go and check out Vineyard, passing through as well. Randy's a different another channel again. So big respect, appreciate the support, appreciate the love. Of House Cooks Cuisine saying like, big up to House Cooks Cuisine. Appreciate you passing through. Appreciate the support every time. You know, love and respect. Zane, appreciate you passing through. This is a shout out live stream, question and answer live stream. So if you want me to give you a shout out, just type it in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to give you a shout out. Right? So House Cooks Cuisine saying salam. Right? So big up again. So Vineyard is saying no, not from my other channel. Those are my personal IDs. Alright, no problem. Randy's, big up, appreciate the support. You know, you are one of the loyal supporter, respect the support every time. You know, helping me to make the dream come true of being a top YouTuber, far way to go. Right? So, you know, little by little. Right? Never give up on your hopes and dreams. Keep pushing and pushing until the door open. You know, it's not over until it is over. Right? So moving along again, reading through some comments. Raja Madifikaski saying yummy. Right? So big shout out to Raja Madifikaski. Right? So, you know, Randy's time again is saying in-house. Yeah, man. So love the support, same way Randy's time. You know, appreciate the support, appreciate everybody passing through the live stream. Zine. Appreciate the love and support. Yeah, man. So here reading through some comments from my video, right? Reading through some comments, giving some shout out. You know, so this is a shout out live stream, question and answer live stream, right? Shout out live stream, question and answer live stream. So if you're just joining, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to give you a shout out. Right, so around this time in the comment section is saying, okay, Jamaican, I have some work, so bye now, bye. Yeah, man, respect around this time, man. You know, bless up every time, passing through, showing your support. You know that you are a busy person, so I don't expect everybody to be here all night with me. So even if you're just passing through, showing your support, moving along, I have no problem with that. You know, so respect for the support. Right, so you know, just a remembrance, whatever you're doing, nothing is impossible, right? Program your mind for success all the while, you know. Take the word impossible out of your mind, out of the dictionary, right? Program your mind for success, right? So once your mind conceive it, you can achieve it, right? So moving along again. Kogam saying drag up dan kwa. Don't know what that means, right? Don't know what that means, but big respect to Kogam for that support. So welcome to Karatai Kitchen. He's saying, "Hi, whoa, very nice video. Thanks for sharing. Happy day too." Right, thumbs up. So shout out to welcome to Karatai Kitchens. So we're just joining the live stream. This is a shout out live stream, question and answer live stream. So if you want me to give you a shout out, just type it in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to give you a shout out. Right? So thanks for passing through, taking the time out of your busy schedule. Right? So in-out vlogs is saying, oh, you know. Yeah, man. So respect in-house vlogs. You know, big shout out to in-house vlogs for passing through. Appreciate the support. Right, so what I'm doing is reading some comments from my video, last video. If you haven't watched it, you can go and check that out. How to make oven roast yam. Right, so in-house vlogs is saying like, yeah, man, big respect in-house vlogs for that like, passing through, showing the support. Right, happy for the support. You know, enough respect. Right, so remember to subscribe. You know, tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend. Friend, and then another friend. Right? Remember to watch the videos in full. Right? Help to build up my watch time so that I can get monetized. Channel is not monetized yet. So when you have some spare time, you can watch the live streams in full and help me to gain some more watch time. Right? That will be helpful as well. So moving through again, Ernest Mohammed saying very yummy, mom. So Ernest Mohammed, big shout out to Ernest Mohammed, right? Lover Food is saying nice recipe. So big shout out to Lover Food, right? So welcome to the live stream. If you're just joining, this is a shout out live stream. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to give you a shout out. Right, so reading some comments from my last video. So Ashima's Ob is saying super big like 33 with about 10 thumbs up. Stay connected, my friend. So big shout out to Ashima's Ob, right? So Kind Old Gentleman is saying, I'm all in. So big shout out to Kind Old Gentleman. You know, big shout out to the persons in the live. Appreciate you passing through every time. Right? So Shoe Sam Stevie saying hello friend, nice sharing. So big shout out to CU Sam Stevie. Right? Big shout out to CU Sam Stevie every time. Right? Cuisine Amina Dokalia is saying hello, very nice video. Right? Thumbs up. Right? So big shout out to Cuisine Amina Dokalia. Right? Moving along, Mr. West Music is saying Mother Road. So big shout out to Mr. West Music. Right? Fashion Queen is saying nice video, new friend. Bell, thumbs up and rose. Right? So remember, this is a shout out live stream. Welcome. If you want me to give you a shout out, type it in the comment section. Appreciate you passing through the live stream. Right? So somebody is saying I love yam. Right? So appreciate the support. Menu Munch is saying really nice video, like it. So big shout out to Menu Munch. Right? Burka Raja Madifikaski is saying nice video, yummy. So big shout out to Burka Raja Madifikaski. So Food Cuisine Facile is saying hello my dear friend, thank you very much. Right? So big shout out to Food Cuisine Facile. Appreciate the support. So if you're in the live stream, the live chat, feel free to leave a comment if you want me to give you a shout out. You know, appreciate you passing through every time. Without you, this channel wouldn't be where it is right now. So appreciate each and every one of you every day, every time. Right? Mama John's Kitchen is saying like 7. Right? So big shout out to Mama John's Kitchen every time. Elena M is saying new recipe. Yes, this is a new recipe. This is a exclusive recipe. I try to make exclusive recipes from time to time. So welcome to the live stream. Process Digitally is saying blessings. So blessings and respect Process Digitally every time. You know, one of the main supporters on the channel. So thanks for the continued support. You can go over and check out this channel as well. Right? So Process Digitally is saying good stream quality. Yeah man, respect for that man. You know, always try to put out the best in production quality on this channel. Still need some more gears, but what I have is workable. Right? But still need some more gears, but you know, trying to put out the best with what I have for now. So moving through again. Shabu's Kitchen is saying very nice video. So big shout out to Shabu's Kitchen. Right? Jesus Tube is saying, wow, very nice, beautiful, good peels you watching. Right? So big shout out to Jesus Tube. Welcome to the live stream. Vlogs is saying, wow. So big up again Vlogs. Right? And welcome if you're just joining the live stream. This is a shout out live stream. If you want me to give you a shout out, feel free to put it in the comment section. Right? So reading some comments from my last video, how to make roast yam, and sending some shout out. So Roland Doy is saying hello, like. So big shout out to Roland Doy. Right? And Rayan Arianto is saying hello my friend. Right? So big shout out to Ryan Arianto. So that's all the comment for now on this video, right? So moving along to another video, another one of my video. Let me go on the last live stream. I have some comment on this. Something good with a carrot. So I have some comment on the last live stream as well. So let me go through those. You know, Naturalist Music is saying good live stream. Thanks for the shout out. So that is my music channel. You can check that out as well, right? Shan Lafdil is saying such lovely live stream dear, like 9. So big shout out to Shan Lafdil, right? So Cosinado Canchilito Yamas is saying saludos ya bendiciones amigo mirando la repetition, right? So this person Cosinado Canchilito Yamas, big shout out. Rukafal is saying happy Father's Day to all the man out there. Big up, right? So big shout out to Rukafal. You're just joining the live stream. Welcome. If you want me to give you a shout out, feel free to leave it in the comment section, and I'll read your comment and give you a shout out. This is a shout out live stream, right? So moving along again, Earth's Medicine is saying love your vibes, bless up me G. So big respect again to Earth's Medicine. You can go over to her channel and check her out. Right? So In and Out Vlog is saying Pakistan. So big up again In and Out's vlog from Pakistan. Appreciate the support. Right? You know. Moving along again. Food Cuisine Fisile is saying, hey my friend, thank you for the sharing. Keep it up. Right? So big shout out again to Food Cuisine Fisile. Right? Rosalie's Filipino Italian Kitchen is saying, hello friend, I hope you are doing well, stay safe and blessed. So big shout out to Rosalie's Filipino Italian Kitchen. Big up. Baby D'Amico is saying nice live stream video. So big up Baby D'Amico. Right. Pin Dian Jalan vlog is saying 11 like, nice video. Keep it up, my friend. God bless you and your family with a lot of happiness. So big up to Pindian Jalan vlogs, right? So welcome again to the Shoutout live stream. You're just joining. Remember, you can leave a like. You can also leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to give you a shout out. Right, appreciate you passing through this live stream. Without you, this channel wouldn't be where it is today. We still have a long way to go. Still have a big mountain to climb, but taking it in stages, right? So appreciate you showing me the support. All right, so moving along again, reading through some comments from my last live stream. This person is saying charming video, it's great. Southern European Life is saying charming video, it's great. So big up to Southern European Life. Appreciate the support. So this person, Alika Angan, is saying mantap. Right? I don't know what the meaning of mantap, but big shout out to Ali Cha Angan. Right? Os Cooks Cuisine, typing saying something in the chat. So big up again, Os Cooks Cuisine. Right, so this is a shout out video. If you are in the live and you want me to give you a shout out, feel free to leave a comment press the like button, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll feel free to give you a shout out. Right, so Molan Shoab Shimish official is saying nice video, mashallah, beautiful sharing video, friend. So big shout out again to Molana Shoab Shimshi official. Right, so welcome to Karatai's Kitchen. Is saying hi, good video, thanks for sharing, happy day too. Right, so big shout out. Ryan Arianto is saying good flag, my friend. So big shout out to Ryan Arianto. So remember, this is a shout out live stream. Just join in and you want me to give you a shout out, just leave it in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out. Right, so I'm reading some comments from my last video. You're just joining the live stream, welcome. Right, so Daily's Kitchen Life is saying, whoa, good, thanks for sharing. So appreciate you coming through Daily Kitchen Life. Right, appreciate the support. Good choice is saying nice video. Right. Check and see if this. Yes, so I've had a break in transmission a while ago. So Good Life is saying nice video. Right. Welcome. If you're just joining the live stream or you want me to give you a shout out, leave it in the comment section. So Vlogs is saying okay. Right. So Kena Shana with Nito is saying nice video. So big shout out to Kana Shana with Nito. Big shout out to you. Right? So Raja Madifikaski is saying nice video. So big shout out to Raja Madifikaski. You're just joining the live stream and you want me to give you a shout out, leave it in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out. So welcome again. This is a shout out live stream, also question and answer live stream. So if you want to ask me any question, you can type it in the comment section, and if I'm able to answer, you will provide you with an answer. All right, so moving along again. Kabahag TV is saying, hello idol, good day to you watching from Philippines, see you. So bless up to Kabahag TV. See me as an idol, but I'm not really an idol still. But if someone hold me at that high standard, who am I to judge? Right? So big up again, Kabahag TV, for that comment. Right? Amelia Frankie's Little Kitchen is saying, watching here, my friend. So big up to Amelia Frankie's Little Kitchen. Appreciate the support every time, you know. Berkai Raja Madifikaski saying, hello, my friend. So big shout out to Berkai Raja Madifikaski. Right, so moving to another video again. Let me see if I can read through some more comments. Alright, so GH Jones is saying, I'm jealous of this exciting looking setup. Right, I have to use a single GoPro. I look forward to more. So big up for GH Jones again. Right, so this is a shout out live stream. If you want me to give you a shout out, leave it in the comment section. If you're just joining, welcome. Reading through some comments from my short video, which I post about the equipment that I'm using to do my live stream to get such clean, crisp, clear quality. right? So CRG Records is saying very informative. So big up to CRG Records. Anna Joseph Cookbook is saying beautiful, well organized. So big shout out to Anna Joseph Cookbook. Appreciate the support. Food Cuisine Fisile is saying thank you very much. Interesting video. Right, David Amigo is saying 100%. Naturalist Music again saying good gear, nice sharing. CRG Media is saying wow, nice gear, well done. Rosalie Filipino Italian Kitchen is saying very professional camera with complete equipment. Right, so most of these comments are same persons showing their support on different videos, right, which is very lovely, right? So Amila Frankie's Little Kitchen is saying nice gadget, my friend. So big up again Amila Frankie's Little Kitchen, right? And Molana Schwarby Shimshi official is saying nice video, right? So this is a question and answer shout out live stream. Just join in, welcome. If you want me to give you a shout out, feel free to type it in the comment section, right? So I'm having some breaking transmission, right? So let me check to see if the battery is okay. Yes, so just do a battery change a while ago. Sorry for that interruption. Sorry for that breaking transmission. Right, so camera battery went dead. I had to do a battery change. So welcome again if you're just joining. This is a shout out live stream, question and answer live stream. If you want me to give you a shout out, feel free to leave it in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out. Right, so we're at 48 minutes in the live stream. Feel like I'm going to run this live stream for about an hour. You know, get some rest. Right. It's now 10:05 my time. Right, 10:05 Jamaica time. So I run this live stream for about next 12 minutes. Bring it up to 1 hour 60 minutes. Right, so search for some more comments. Right, how to make vegetable soup Jamaican food. Right, so this person here, Laborn Norutri, is saying yummy beautiful recipe. I love it, big like. Right, so big respect to Laborn Norutri. Big respect. Purple Tube is saying thanks, that looks really good. Have a great day. So big shout out to Purple Tube. Right, CRG Record, this is some healthy food. So big shout out to CRG Records. Sally Club is showing a music sign, great upload. The vegetable soup look this delicious, so wonderful. May you always be healthy. I hope you have a bright day. Nice video. So Sally Club, big shout out, right? So this is a shout out live stream, question and answer live stream. Feel free, type it in the comment section, right? I'm now at 50 minutes in the live stream, so I have another 10 more minutes to go before closing out this live stream. As I'm just going to go for an hour, right? So reading through some comments, right? Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Right? Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend. Friend, and then another friend. Alright? Yeah, man. So going through again, Amari's kitchen. Saying this look really delicious, especially with my favorite in it, which is corn. Yummy soup. Nice one, my friend. So Amari's kitchen, big shout out. Big shout out again to the persons in the live, right? Sister Blessing Kitchen TV is saying big like. This looks so delicious and tasty. Very nice one. Thanks for sharing. So big shout out to Sister Blessing Kitchen TV. Appreciate the love and support. Love to cook is saying this is really healthy vegetable soup. My friend watching and support here. So big shout out to Love to Cook. Westfa Shala is saying look so delicious soup. So big shout out to Westfa Shala. Naturalist Music saying well done, very tasty soup. So big shout out to Naturalist Music. Big shout out again to the persons in the live. Appreciate you passing through, taking the time out of your busy schedule to sit in on this live stream, right? Khadija's Kitchen is saying great soup. Thanks for sharing. Stay blessed, stay safe. So big shout out to Khadija's Kitchen. Appreciate the love and support. Glory M Food is saying such a healthy soup, perfect for cold weather as well. Look yum, my friend. So big shout out to Glory M Food. You know, big shout out for passing through, showing your support. Right? So Jenna's Cooking is saying love this vegetable soup. I've never had Jamaican cuisine before, but it looks so vibrant and delicious. Well, we'll definitely give this a try. Until then, just subscribe. So big shout out to Jenna's Cooking. Appreciate the support. Health is Wealth is saying all the ingredients I love. Use especially corn. Thanks for this recipe. Love a healthy bowl of soup. So big shout out to Health is Wealth. Appreciate the support. Right, so big shout out again to the persons in the live. Appreciate you passing through, taking the time out of your busy schedule. If you want me to give you a shout out, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Just a bit of encouragement, right? Nothing is impossible, even when the odds are against you, even when your world is upside down, even if you don't have any food to eat, even if things seem like the world is at its end, don't give up. Nothing is impossible, right? So keep that in mind. Once your mind conceive it, you can achieve it. So nothing is impossible, right? Always remember that. Keep on telling yourself that nothing is impossible, right? So yeah, man. Tasty Foods is saying nice recipe. Looks so good. Thank you for sharing. Stay connected. So big shout out to Tasty Food recipe. Big shout out to Tasty Foods. You know, CR3 Media looking rich and yummy. Big shout out to CR3 Media. Appreciate the support every time. Saida Alim is saying very nice, colorful, looking so delicious. So big shout out to Saida Alim. 365 Kitchen is saying this recipe really very delicious. Thanks for sharing. Big shout out to 365 Kitchen, right? German Mira is saying, wow, amazing sharing. Looks so yummy and delicious. Very healthy, very tasty, right? With about 4 something looking like this. I can't explain it, but about 4 emoji looking like this. Right, waiting for the next video. So German Mira, big shout out to German Mira, right? So big shout out to persons in the live again. You know, enough big up. Appreciate you taking the time out of your busy schedule to tune in tonight, right? So Lionel Bebo 24 is saying this recipe look yummy and healthy too. So Lionel Bebo 24, big up, big shout out. Appreciate the support. Shan Laugh Bill is saying great soup, my friend. Like 3 and full watch twice. So big respect for that. Appreciate the watch. You know, appreciate the watch. So moving to again, Lynn's cooking recipe saying delicious and healthy vegetable soup. Thanks so much for sharing. Have a great day. So big respect to Lynn's cooking recipe. Big shout out. Right, this is a shout out live stream, question and answer live stream. You're just joining, welcome. Appreciate you taking the time out of your busy schedule to pass through. You want me to give you a shout out? Type it in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out. All right. So moving to again, Life of Sun is saying delicious and healthy vegetable soup. Thanks for so much for sharing. So big shout out to Life of Sun. Right, so Lock Ladies is in fantastic way. Thumbs up, done particularly the knife. Right, so big shout out to Lock Ladies every time, like ladies every time. Right, so big shout out to Lock Ladies. Number sign Seal Level Music TV saying, oh, looks yummy soup and thank you for friend for sharing your recipe. So big shout out to number sign Sea Level Music TV. Right. So this is a shout out live stream. You want me to give you a shout out, type it in the comment section. Right. Reading through some comments from my vegetable soup recipe. Yummy Food Kitchen is saying, whoa, you cook yummy and healthy soup. Excellent sharing, dear friend. So big up to Yummy Food Kitchen. Rukafal is saying very healthy soup. So big up to Rukafal. Easy Cook with Das is saying 27 like, whoa, wonderful vegetable soup recipe. Looks so yummy and healthy. Your instructions are so precise and easy to follow. Love your work. Outstanding video. Thank you so much for sharing. Have a nice day. So big up to Easy Cooking with Das. Right, appreciate the support every time. You know, Happy Family Online is saying very healthy and delicious vegetable soup recipe. Thanks for sharing. So big up to Happy Family Online. You know, big up to Happy Family Online. Right. Amila Frankie's Little Kitchen saying, I can see that it will come out good. Can I have some soup, please? Anytime Amila Frankie's Little Kitchen, you know, you're free to have some soup anytime. Right, so L Burkania is showing a lot of art smiley face and licking tongue emoji. Right, so you know, this is a shout out live stream, question and answer live stream. Right, phone is ringing. Right, live stream is not over yet, so I can't take that call. Right, so 59 minutes and 38 seconds into the live stream. So I'm just going to wrap it up right now. So thanks to everyone for passing through, leaving their support. Right, appreciate you guys coming through, taking the time out of your busy schedule to pass through and showing me your support. Right, so remember, nothing is impossible. Even if it seems like the world is on your shoulder, even if it seems like you can't make it, you know, always remember that nothing is impossible. So once your mind conceive it, you can achieve it. So nothing is impossible, right? Keep on telling yourself that nothing is impossible, right? So big up until next time. Boom.